Hello, Word. Welcome back to the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word for today is candle. It's a B2 level noun, meaning a wax object used for light. A candle is essentially a block of wax with a wick running through it that you light to provide illumination. Think of birthday parties, romantic dinners, or even just a cozy night in. Candles have been used for centuries as a source of light and are still popular today. Let's delve deeper into understanding this everyday word. So, what exactly is a candle? As I mentioned, it's typically made of wax, though other materials like tallow or even gels can be used. The wick, usually made of braided cotton, draws the molten wax up to fuel the flame. The burning wax emits light and heat. You'll often find candles in various shapes, sizes, colors, and scents. They're used for practical purposes, like providing light during a power outage, but also for decorative and ceremonial reasons. For example, many religious ceremonies incorporate the use of candles. Now, let's explore some synonyms for candle. A close synonym is taper. While candle is a more general term, taper often refers to a slender candle that narrows towards the top. For example, the altar was illuminated by several tapers. Another synonym, although a bit more archaic, is light. You might say, she held a light to guide us through the darkness. In this context, light refers to the object producing the light, in this case, the candle. While not a direct synonym, lamp shares the function of providing light. However, lamp typically refers to a more sophisticated device using electricity or oil, while candle is simpler. A sentence using lamp: the bedside lamp cast a warm glow across the room. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with the opposite meaning. One antonym is darkness. While a candle provides light, darkness represents the absence of light. For example, the darkness of the cave was absolute until we lit a candle. Another antonym is electricity. While candles provided light before the advent of electricity, electricity is now a far more common and powerful source of light. Example, the house was brightly lit with electricity. And another one can be extinguisher, which is the opposite action of setting a candle on fire. Sentence using extinguisher: the firefighter used an extinguisher to put out the fire. Let's consider how we use candle in everyday life. We often say burn the candle at both ends to describe someone who is working too hard and exhausting themselves. Another common expression is hold a candle to, which means to compare favorably to someone or something. For example, no other singer can hold a candle to her. You might also hear about candlelit dinners, which are considered romantic and intimate. Sentences and phrases using candle: she lit a candle for her grandmother. The room smelled of vanilla candles. He blew out the candle on his birthday cake. The candle flickered in the breeze. We use candles to decorate the table. The scent of the candle was very relaxing. Did you buy any candles at the store? She placed the candle on the windowsill. The candle burned all night long. The candle provided a soft, warm light. The value of a candle during a power outage is undeniable. Another usage can be when talking about a religious or spiritual belief, saying, she lit a candle at the church to pray. Remember, candle is a B2 level noun referring to a wax object used for light. We explored synonyms like taper and light, and antonyms like darkness and electricity. We also discussed common expressions and everyday uses of the word. So, that wraps up our exploration of the word candle for today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the podcast and learn new English words. And now, I have a little challenge for you. Try to create your own sentence using the word candle and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what creative sentences you come up with. Until next time, Keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.